Sunday morning, June 7th. Here's the Astro Excel for the month. Picking up here on the 7th, we're down all the way out to the 15th. We've got this downward pressure where we're hitting the 20 lines a couple of times. As we get into the 15th, we get a little bit more in the neutral area here with just a little push down on the 17th, 18th, back below the 10 line again. Then on the 18th, we're moving up and we're into bullish territory out to about the 21st. Then we're very neutral around the 0 line till the 23rd, slightly bullish end of the 23rd up until the 25th here, end of the day session, and then just bouncing around neutral out to about the 29th. We dipped to below -10 here on the 30th, getting into early July. You can see we're just slightly positive back to the -10 line. And then a strong move up to about July 5th, where we almost touched the +20 line. So that's the pattern for the month. Let's take a look at the week of June 7th. As we dial into the green line, you can see that today we're very flat around 0 when the session picks up tonight at 1800. We're going to start moving down into that negative territory. So we're pretty much going to be negative for this week. The first time we hit the 20 line, we're going to push back up. That's very late on the 9th. We're going to push back up towards 0 till the 11th, and then back down again for the rest of the week. So that's the pattern there. Blue line, key spike points, 2 a.m. here on the 9th, noon on the 9th, and then again 1900. On the 10th, we've got the spike low at 4 a.m. Another one late at night at 2300. Almost touching -10 line at 1900 on the 11th. And no other spikes to the 10 lines for the rest of the week. So there's a look at the pattern, both monthly and for the week of June 7th to 12th.